celebration, Miss Shadi Fuentes in her second gown of the night. But for the meantime, habang hinihintay po natin si Miss Shadi, we will be having another game. Okay? In this game, napakadali lang po nito, especially if you are musically inclined. May ipapaplay lamang po tayo ng mga awitin. At kapag alam niyo po ang title ng song, punta agad dito sa harapan. Are you guys ready? This is open to all ha, bata, matanda, middle age. Welcome na welcome po kayong sumagot sa ating mga pag-games. Now, DJ, let us start with the first song. Title ha, I need the exact title of the song. And then, after that, kakantahin nyo yung chorus. No? Kaya dapat confident kayo sa inyong pagsagot.
Ang papremyo ni Internet pala.
Ito, medyo masakit ang message ng song. Ano ba ito? Very iconic ang singer nito. Clue. Ang singer na ito ay may mommy din. Pero yung mommy niya napaka-street talk.
Sarah.
What is the title of that song? Sige, anyone? Anyone who knows the answer, punta agad sa akin. Sino? One, okay. Oh, yes, kakanta po. Ano lang? Chorus lang? Ang dali-dali ng chorus nito eh. Sino po ma? Baka meron dyan. Oh, dali na, dear. Yung alam mo lang, dali na. Sige. O, sinong gusto mo kanta or interpretative dance? Yung walang ikot-ikot. Okay. What is the title of that song?
I believe the title of the song is Ikot-Ikot by Sarah G.
Ikot-ikot. Do you guys all agree? Ikot-ikot. The girl, you have to sing the song. Go.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot.
Oh, tama na. Alright. Well, congratulations. Please get your prize. Okay, legit na may premyo tayo. Now, for the next song title, Beach, makiplay naman ang ating second song. Dapat each table ha, may points.
Sa presyo na siya. Sa presyo na siya. Sa presyo na. Sa presyo. Mali ako na.
Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, look at that glow. Diyan ka lang muna ni Shandy. Guys, videoin ninyo ka naman ay with flash, pero wala siya mag-walk in the red carpet with all the paparazzi's around. Sige na, sabihin niyo ang trip ko para maganda sa video. Alright, now, that is welcome, Shandy Fuentes here, Union Gown. Wow, shining, shimmering, sexy, in her sultry mall. You know what capture your face? Wala bang malakas na parang kwakan dyan? And now, Miss Shanty, for your second grand entrance, please wow us all with your turns. Okay, we'll turn back. Ready in 3, 2, and 1. Happy birthday, Miss Shanty Fuentes. Yan, out here. Ako para na sa video photo ko. Wait lang, para maganda sa photos. Alright, there you have it, everyone. Ako, napawaw ang lahat. Uy, masanda ng confetti ang baba. Itakot ang baba. Paano siya? Alright, so this time, guys, we will now proceed to the next part of our celebration. Ngayon po ay
Dali siguro siya sa gitna. Dali lang siguro.
sa 18 Crushers. Kindly proceed at the back. Dali na guys. At rarampa po kayo as I call your name. Okay? Isa-isa yung tatawagin ng pangalan and then i-arrange niyo.
Regalo ba na wala?
Okay, again, requesting all. Guys, please do it quietly.
Hindi silang ba ate butang daw. Nakuha naman ako ba? Namot lang ako ba? Ikaw na ka?
For our 18 treasures, we have J.M. Valenzuela, Liza May, Jewel, Charmel, Hannah, Danessa, Trisha, Silene, Aidan, Jaira, Eileen, Lexine, Hannah, Anna Marie, Stephanie, Kyla, James, uy, wala pa. Di ba na pa ang patakal mo? Ginatawag ko na namatay na for mo proceed. Excited kayo ha? Pantay lang. Okay. By pair kasi ito silang rarampa. Okay. Now we also have Kyla, Dumagi, James, Dominic, Araiz, Charnel, James, Laura. Ready na? Ready na? Okay. Ready na sila. Now, ladies and gents, sumayan niyo ang take now. This is a spontaneous show. And everybody should enjoy every minute of it. Now, let us welcome for our 18 treasures. Ready to wrap in our aisle. Shaya Valenzuela and Liza May Kainag! Rama! Humarap pa ka dyan naman! Now, we have Jewel Esalonga and Charnel Mercer. Go, let's go! Next pair, please. Jackie and Malika Loy. Next pair. Wala pa naman. Wala pa. Next pair. Wow. I love the hip swings. Hoy, ang pogi. Galingan nyo. Ay, parang mamarama talaga sa runway. The Shopee Ambassador, everyone! Now, that is welcome. Next naman ang mga model ng Shein Pasok. We have here the Shopee Ambassadors and the Shein models. Next, who's next in line? Who's next in line? Wala na? Akala ko may magic sarap endorser pa. Wala na ba? Okay, so we are complete now, guys. Sige. So, Miss Shandy, maupo ka muna sa iyong trono. Ayan. And now, we'll go about with message sharing. Let us start with the first person na nasa harapan. It was JM. Okay. Let's start na lang sa nandoon sa pinakaharapan, yung unang rumampa, dear.
Dati honey bigger.
Okay, wait lang. Kasi yung mood, happy birthday, ano ka naman? Alright, sige, wait lang. Igayin natin ang mga bata. Kasi matakot ka mo ron. Okay, so yun ang gagawin ninyo. Of course, you have your treasures with you. Okay? So you were well aware na treasures ang ibibigay. Kasi ito pinakakusin sa iPhone. Kisa to. Singer. So ang gagawin niyo lang, okay? Alam niyo kung anong laman ng mga regalo ninyo, di ba? Ngayon, you are about to give the symbolism kung bakit yan ang binigay ninyo. Okay? So guys, please make it brief and you give your message, ibigay niyo agad ang gift ninyo.
Wow.
Alright, go please!
Hi Shandy, I wish you a life full of love, happiness, and all the blessings that you deserve. May this gift of mine give you comfort. Happy birthday.
Remix pa kaya nga. Okay. Like,
Hi, Shanti.
Hello po, Nanay Niyo.
This gift is more than just a timepiece, but it is a timeless gift, and it symbolizes your personality and your growth. Happy birthday, wishing you the best in your life. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sean. I wish you everything, and you know that. And kaya ang gift si mga kay, I know na you tend to sleep in school during free time. So, para dili na kami sabit-sabit simulan ko. Para mas comfortable ka matulog sa school. Yun ang gift sa mga.
Pero naman mamaya, after sa Thursday, magkanta muna kayo.
Si Gian, wala pa si Gian.
Si Gian, ma'am, later na lang siya.
Okay. Sige, sige.
Dalawa lang po talaga yun.
Sige lang, B. Okay lang, B. Pasahe lang kung kumain.
Dili pa tumao. So, yatag na ulit sa inyo kay
Nagaganap.
para
Ayan, tignan niya na lang po si Marty.
yung life kay wala na
Hello.
Wala na bombs.
Si Ellen Kiss, thank you so much, si Ellen Kiss. Rolando, Miguel, shout out dyan. Nanay Leng, salamat Nanay Leng.
Yatag na kasi mo na para hawod na yung mga morning every day.
Sure.
Happy birthday, Sean. Thank you for inviting me. And I hope you like my gift, so I brought you a bag.
Hala. Nangyari.
Nalaglag ka.
Nalagyan siya ng ba, ano.
So, hi ulit, Shan. So, this gift that I bought is an accessory. I just bought it a while ago after I was done taking the USA exam. So, messed up ako speech ganyan.
Ba't nawala ako, Bini?
Nalaglag ka.
Hindi ah.
Pero anyway, speaking of college, accepted na sa university ng gusto at doon. Tapos,
Sige, start mo.
I know, naplano na itong
Aso ka sa live. Ayun, nakalive pa ako.
Pero, just in case, nabilito mata yun. Nung isipon ko ni mo every time na ito ni mo ni, or gamitan ni mo ni. Happy birthday siya.
After ano mo kanta ta? Tinuod?
Ano ginawa mo? Huwag ka, wala. Mas maano tayo, mag-portrait tayo.
I bought you this gift specifically to
Diretso ka lang
Manila,
into
because I know na maingit mo siya ano na gift. And I wish you all the best in life. And may God provide you with all the things.
Saan definition mo ang gift? Sa ano yan? Sa Facebook yan. Hindi ko na-on. Kailangan ko siyang wala ang signal yung isang cellphone.
Kaya pala tinignan ko sa Facebook.
Wala.
Hi,
Walang
Sean.
signal, walang signal.
Welcome to Legality, and finally, you're one of us. Thank you for
Nilakaw na si Juan Basser.
I'm so happy
Na hindi
that
na sa imo.
you consider Panimo as part of your life. And I'm glad to see you grew up as a kind, loving, and smart and fun young lady. And wish ko lang for you is for you to achieve your purpose. Garlic chicken, iba yung mata niya sa iyo. Sige, continue! Go!
Happy birthday, Say goodbye to your childhood. The gift for you tonight is my presents. This bigay ka. Pinigay pa yung gift, abutan
chicken. Alright, go next.
Happy birthday, Sean! Thank you, guys. You treat me as your friend. Biskan, grade 11 lang ka nag-meet, actually. And this gift reminds me of you, good. Sobrang. Like, before ko nag-buy of gift, naisip ako na yung mga nilagod, want ko mag-try something new. Pero, mo to like, na-certain circumstances mo wala na ko siya nag-buy. So, pipili na ako ang second option na na mag-buy o gift na super, na maka-remind me sa kuha for you, of you actually. Kasi, napansin ko kasi you are an accessory girly. Hindi ka masyadong magsuot ng mga earrings and necklaces. So, I hope when you wear this gift, maalala niyo mo nga ang atong friendship. Happy birthday again, Sean. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sean. So this gift reminds me of you so much since gusto kaya kag One Piece and ikaw dito ang naisang gift. Happy birthday ulit and thank you.
So, happy birthday, Shandy. Ko, ang gift na ni kayo, pwede siya maging tao. Kaya like, hatagan ka niya init sa iyong lamig. And pwede mo din hatagan lamig ang iyong init. Pwede ko na siya maging bagay. Kaya pwede naman siya madala everywhere. And pwede ko siya maging animal. Kaya pwede siya like, pang guardian mo. Kaya pwede siya pang self-defense. And also, pwede siya maging place. Kaya madala din mo siya everywhere. So, ipanghulaan ko mo. Happy birthday, Sean. So, ang ako ang gift sa everyone is kaning masuot din mo siya pag naka-occasion na atoan. And wala ko palit o sudalan sa dali na nakamit. Happy birthday, Sean. I love you.
Alright, so there you have the number 1 or 18 treasures